Today, I upgrade my girlfriend room.
Yay!
As you can see, my girlfriend room is not very nice. It's brown. Why is your table pink?
I got it when I was a child.
Abomination. Okay, we've got a lot of upgrading to do, but first I want to express my gratitude to our generous sponsor for today, Emma Sleep. They have sent over their diamond hybrid mattress and stylish signature bed. No more overheating or sweating through the night. This mattress comes with revolutionary graphite infused foam that absorbs and redistributes body heat, ensuring that your body temperature remains constant through the night. What's more impressive is its adaptability, providing total comfort no matter what position you sleep in. As your body sinks into the mattress, it meets the hybrid of memory foams and pocket springs that progressively increase in firmness, ensuring a sturdy, supportive base. It arrived perfectly packed, and assembly was a delightful DIY project. It seemed daunting initially, but the clear instruction made the process fun and engaging. Lisa and I had a great time setting it up. So a huge shout out and thank you to Emma Sleep for supporting us in upgrading the room. First thing we had to do was to clear the room and get rid of the bed. And you're gonna get a surprise. Oh my god, what the hell? Yep, honestly, some of these things can be relics. But moving on, Lisa's father actually used to be a home painter, so he has actually a lot of tools for the job, like an angle grinder. He came in and helped remove metal wall plugs that used to be the TV wall mount. Then later on, I just fill it in with wall putty. And even when we were painting, because we were so slow that Lisa's father came to help. And honestly, he made it look so simple. Thank you, uncle. And I don't really want to go too much into painting, but we did 3 layers of undercoat because her wall was brown and a final layer of Nippon skyline. And this took about 6 hours across 2 days. And after all that, I think it was all worth it. What do you think?
4 to 6 days later.
Okay, we're back.
We're back.
This is actually a long project because we had a lot of busy. Fun fact, today is our anniversary of the first day we met.
Yes, okay.
I'm gonna ask some questions about the relationship while we're gonna build your desk.
Okay.
Not really build lah, more assembly. Okay, first let's carry this. Okay, first question for you. What was your first impression of me the first day you met me?
Intimidating.
Intimidating?
Yeah, because we are supposed to just meet for business.
Oh, business man?
No lah, like art stuff and content creation advice. I mean, that was my perspective. I didn't expect like it to be a date. I didn't really have any intentions on relationships. So I thought it would be great to be friends.
With benefit?
No, but ended up we clicked off very well on the first date. So
The first date we went for dinner.
yeah.
Then after that we went for drinks. So at which part of the date do you realize it's a date? Or the whole thing you didn't
okay,
realize
no,
it's a date?
I realized that it had potential because we hit off quite well at the first dinner, right?
Yeah.
To the point where we went for more drinks after that.
Yeah.
So that's where I know that okay, I'll see where this goes.
When did you know that you wanted to be with me? Like the first date, second date, third date?
Wait, third date, okay, second date we went for a movie, third date we went to... Okay, actually on the third date, yeah.
Third date?
Yeah, it's
Why?
the one that... This was what I didn't experience in my past relationships. It was quite messy and toxic. So it's simple things like you holding me in public. You're proud to share, to show me off. Yeah, things like that. And meeting your friends for the first time and you already compliment me in front of your friends and you don't really know me. Like, oh, you know she does art. I sort of knew that you were the guy who can take care. That and then the connection that we have was just growing stronger. It was getting a little bit intense.
So this is a docking system.
What is it for?
It's for your laptop. So instead of having to plug in all your peripherals, your mouse, keyboard and monitor, like HDMI,
Yeah.
you only need to plug this in.
Okay.
And then it all turns on, all connects to the laptop. Okay, now time for the magic. The bed, Emma Sleep. They sponsored us this bed, right?
Yeah.
So they actually gave me some interesting facts about the bed. One thing that is 200 night trial. So if you don't like the bed, you can return.
Okay.
You can actually replace this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I think a lot of times, if you dirty your bed, right, then the only way to clean it is to use a vacuum. But with this, you can at least take out the cover and wash the whole cover. The bed and mattress also has a 5-year warranty. Fun fact about this pillow, depends on what kind of feel you want. You just flip it and it's a different feel. How does it feel?
Firm.
Okay, then you flip.
This is firmer.
So it's firm and
I mean,
firmer.
it's good on the neck.
So there's 3 layers, each with different feeling, right? So the supportive side, which is basically the middle part, it's a HRX foam. It offers ideal support functions for your head and neck. Then you have the blue, called the comfort side. It's gel memory foam. Does it feel like gel?
A little bit, a little
I don't
bit.
feel. Oh. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Then the last part, which is also the white part, is the visco memory foam. Distribute optimally the pressure and supports the head and shoulders, relieving pressure efficiently. Let's add the bed sheets. I bought these bed sheets for you because your bed sheet is very,
Very
primary school.
Yeah, it's very colorful.
Okay, next question. When was the day you loved me?
Isn't that a tough question? If I ask you, you know?
I asked you the question.
Yeah, okay. You see, you know it's a tough question. When do I know I love you?
When was the moment?
The way you asked me to be your girlfriend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah. So I really did not expect it because we went hiking. Will you be my girlfriend? I thought it was super cheesy, but that was what I like. Low key, it's a girl's wish, I guess. Because to me, it's like a guy has to ask a girl properly. Otherwise, it becomes a situationship. I don't know. In some cases.
Right.
Yeah.
You can book at hotel already.
No. Did they do things so fast?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, and
do.
we are already struggling with one bed.
Actually, this bed, tuck in actually very easy.
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
usually you need to tuck in below the bed, but because like it's a bit sunken in
Yeah.
for the bed, you can just tuck it in the corners. Yeah. This experience has been quite tiring. I mean, I would like to do more things because we wanted to add like a pull-up bar here. Some things that I didn't really show yet, but maybe you can show now. I changed your door as well.
Yeah, it was pink before.
Hot pink, yeah.
Yeah, it was hot pink.
It was not just hot pink, it was not functional anymore.
No, it is. It's just that.
It will come out lah.
Yeah, it come
Yeah,
out.
it will-
But you can still close it.
Yeah. So we changed the door, paint.
Oh yes,
change
we
your,
painted.
you change your table. The dongle or docking system not really working for your laptop. I don't know why. But
I mean, we'll figure it out.
yeah. But I feel like, now to think of it, right, this might be quite redundant.
Why?
Because when you get married, you get a new house already.
Oh, that's very. No, wait, that is what I said.
What?
So, like, if I move out sooner than I thought,
Yeah.
we still did this makeover for my family. Right?
True. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Emma Sleep, for the bed. I'm gonna change office soon. That's why my consistency in videos are very bad. But after the whole move, everything will be good. So hope you enjoy. Stay with me, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.